Hi besties, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be just showing you guys a day in my life. So the other videos I've been dropping are days in my life, but I've been lazy this week, so I'll be just showing you a day in my life. So this morning I woke up craving for this, and I did a lot of indomie and egg, and I consumed everything because I was having a large appetite that morning. I'm heading out right now for a stroll. So I came to the park. I sat here for a little while to get some fresh air because this week throughout I've been indoor. As I said at the beginning of my vlog, I've been lazy this week, and I also took some pictures. You know, anytime we go out as a girl, you just need to take some pictures. I took some pictures here before heading home. So guys, today I'll be showing you guys the full process of how I make my fat burner drink. The ingredients are lemon, ginger, apple and cucumber. Then you cut them and put them into a blender. After you put them into a blender, you add some water to it. You add some water to it also before you blend it. After you blend it, then you sieve it. When you are done, you put it in a container, then you put it inside the fridge so that it can be preserved there for 2 days at least, because the quantity I did is for 2 days. I usually do a lot so that it can serve me for 2 days, and I take it morning and night. And this drink has been very effective for me. Please, disclaimer, don't do this without consulting your doctor to know if the ingredients used here is safe for your health. So after I finished preparing my detox drink, I made a very quick dinner for myself. I made fried egg and cucumber and apple. That was what I ate for dinner because I wanted to eat something light. And this weight loss journey is not easy, but it has been effective. All the things I've been eating has been effective. Though today I slacked because I ate indomie and egg, which I'm not supposed to eat that quantity, but I was having a large craving. So that was why I ate that. So it's not every day that you'll be perfect, sha. So this is what I'll be eating for dinner. Thank you guys for watching. If you have watched to this length, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. God bless you guys.